Action.
Hey guys, so
hi, my mom So I'm gonna be unboxing. I was able to order some stuff on Amazon, so we're gonna open it. So yeah. Take a guess what it is. Comment.
What do you? I was about to say, what do you think it is in my head?
3, 2, 1. Okay. Also hit that like button and subscribe if you didn't already. So let's see if you were right. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, what's that? Flip it around.
Brand kit.
Hold on, let me zoom.
Oh my God, I love the colors.
All right.
So pretty.
They look cool.
And it has some letter beads, glitter beads, charms.
They can put on
Different shape beads.
What are those things on the bottom? Is that some type of tool?
Oh, it's like so you don't have to use your fingers, I guess.
So it is a tool.
Yeah. And then let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Guys, I've been waiting on this. I think it's an even smaller box. Guys, we got the it's the bangle bracelet.
Wow, how many's in there? It looks like a ton of them.
These are so you can like
Fix them.
yeah.
It comes with a
These are expandable.
like a tweez, not a tweezer, but a pliers. They're expandable.
And, I don't know how much is in here. Yeah, it doesn't tell me. But that was both of the packages. This was a really short video, but I just came back from school. FYI, for your information. And here are some examples of
Mary, you forgot to show them the actual charms. So there's like charms in a whole different pack. There's like a whole bunch right here. Let me see
For
if
the
I can open
bracelets?
it to show you guys. Yeah.
Okay, go back over there. I can zoom. There you go.
Okay, so this is a pack. There's like one little ring, a whole bunch of charms, some chains, and yeah, I think that's really cool because you don't just have like a bare bracelet with nothing on it.
There are 20 bangle bracelets.
Oh, wow.
They are expandable, and here are some examples of. So, and we've been working on like bracelets for a while now at tennis.
So what do you plan to do with these bracelets? Are you going to wear them or are you going to sell them? What's the deal?
Maybe a little bit of both because we don't know when we're gonna sell them. Like sometimes people be like, oh my God, those are so cute, and we probably be like, oh well, you can buy them if you like one of them. Which one? And yeah.
Do you know how to use that?
No.
Yeah, I think I do. You like?
Let me see this.
Ooh, look at these.
Okay, they fit nice.
It's like a little bit.
And you can make them smaller too, tighter to your arm.
Like this. I could just push it on it.
Yeah, I think so.
But I don't really know.
That's so that when you put the charms on, you can put the charms on.
Oh.
That's to close the
These
charms.
are really cute.
Let me see. I'm going to zoom in. Oh, those are cute. Oh, gold and silver. Oh, you guys are going to be so cute this summer. So maybe you're going to keep them. Or keep some for yourself and then sell some.
Give me a little bit.
If you sell some, then you'll make money and can buy more.
These,
You got to figure out how much you're going to sell them for.
Before selling them, we have to like make the business, find out a plan, what we're gonna do with the money, and what the prices and all of that. And
create your business plan, your business model. Very good.
But this, you don't need string because you can use rubber. I really like this red and yellow.
We might make a tutorial on how you make them.
Yeah, that could be next up. You guys show them how to make it. What's that? Oh, that's where those go. All right, guys. So what do you think of your bracelet kits?
Really cool. I think they are awesome.
All right. Well, we're going to sign off. Say bye to everyone.
Bye, guys.
See you next time when they teach you how to make those bracelets. Really cute.